You've probably seen them, those smooth, colorful 3D animations that look like they belong in a Pixar movie. They're everywhere on YouTube right now, getting millions of views, and for good reason. They're stunning to watch. Look at this. One channel uploaded 86 videos and gained almost 4 million subscribers. And here's another channel in the exact same niche. They got monetized after just 2 videos. Now get this. Last month alone, they made over $58,000. That's right, in just 30 days. This niche is not just good, it's insane. And today I'm going to show you how you can start creating the exact kind of 3D animation videos that are blowing up right now, even if you've never made one before. I know it's annoying to pause a video and try to remember every step, so I made you a doc with everything in it. It's got all my prompts and all the tool links in one spot. Grab it from my Discord, and if something's confusing, just ping me. I'm giving you the exact blueprint to make documentaries just like these channels, and you can do it even with zero 3D design experience. Before we take the next step, here's the truth. Making the video isn't always the hardest part. The real challenge, finding AI tools that actually work and last. It feels like a new one drops every single day, and half of them vanish before you even get to try them. I used to waste hours testing random sites just hoping one would save me time. Then I found something that honestly feels like cheating. It's called Toolify. Think of it like Google, but only for AI tools. No spam, no random junk, just the good stuff. Toolify is like a giant library of AI tools. There's over 26,000 of them, all neatly organized into categories like writing, video, image creation, coding, business, voice, and more. In this new tab, you can see all the latest AI tools that just launched. Just click on any tool and it'll take you straight to the website. You can also check out the most saved and most used tools, discover GPTs, and even explore the top AI tools by region or revenue. Plus, if you want something specific, you can pick any category and browse. In the free AI tools section, you can pick a specific category. For example, if you're looking for an image generator, you'll find a full list of free image generation tools here, plus their pricing details. For voiceover tools, most of us only know the big names like ElevenLabs or Murph AI, but Toolify shows you a much bigger list, including free ones you probably haven't heard of. This can be really helpful for YouTube automation. And if you've created your own AI tool, you can even submit it here and advertise it. On top of that, there's also a deal where you can get access to all AI tool packages in one place. Grab the link from the description whenever you need it. For now, let's get back to where it all starts. Step 1, finding video ideas and creating the script. Here's what you do. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. I'm looking to create documentary-style videos similar to Fern and want to cover topics that are currently trending with strong viral potential. Since my channel will be US-based, could you recommend at least 10 high-demand topics? I've attached a screenshot of Fern's channel for reference. When you do this, ChatGPT will give you a list of great ideas. One of the best ones I found was The Boy Who Hacked NASA and Paid the Price. It's shocking, mysterious, and honestly a little sad. Exactly the kind of story that makes people want to click and find out what happened. The next step is simple. Copy the script prompt from the Google Doc, paste it directly here, and insert your video title. Once you press enter, a polished, high-quality script will be generated instantly. All right, let's get some images going. Open ChatGPT, jump into the GPT store, and search for documentary-style 3D image generator. Hit Start Chat. You'll see 2 choices. Just pick the second one. Paste part of your script, and ChatGPT will spit out one main scene prompt plus 5 B-roll prompts. Select the B-roll prompt you prefer, for example, Scene 1, and then specify the aspect ratio by typing YouTube. ChatGPT will generate your image. Since AI outputs may lack refinement, you can enhance the quality by copying one of the B-roll prompts and using it within OpenArt. Just head over to OpenArt and click on the Image tab. Change the model to Imagen 3 by Google, paste in the script prompt you got from ChatGPT, and then pick your aspect ratio. Since we're making YouTube content, 16:9 is the best choice. Once that's set, click Create, and boom! You'll see your visuals come to life right in front of you. If you're curious about upgrading your results, Midjourney is amazing for super detailed cinematic images. But if you'd rather not spend money right now, no worries. Toolify has a whole list of free AI tools you can explore to still get high-quality visuals for your videos. To animate your images, Open Kling AI and navigate to the Video tab. Upload one of your generated images, then paste the prompt displayed on the screen and click DeepSeek to enhance it. After that, select Use Prompts, set the desired duration of your video in seconds, and click Generate. The platform will then produce an animated version of your image. For creators seeking alternative options, Midjourney can also be used to animate visuals with impressive results. Additionally, exploring Toolify provides access to several other AI tools that can help you animate images efficiently. To create a professional documentary-style voiceover, open ElevenLabs and go to the Voices tab. Use the filtering options to select the desired gender, language, accent, and style. Explore the available voices until you find one that fits the tone you want. For example, a voice similar to the ones used on the Fern channel. Once you've selected your voice, paste your script into the text box, generate the voiceover, and then download it. Before finalizing your video, it's important to add extra visuals beyond your animations. If you study channels like Fern, you'll notice that they don't rely solely on animated clips. They also incorporate YouTube videos, TikTok clips, images, and news reports, or any visual that strengthens the story. To find these visuals, use a Google search for images, and when using static pictures, add subtle zoom or pan effects to create a sense of motion. For video clips, social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube are excellent resources, as almost any short clip you need can be found there. Once you've got all your visuals, open CapCut. It's free and super easy to use, and drag in your animations, extra clips, and voiceover. First, add your voiceover to the timeline, and then drop in all your clips and images so they match the narration. Next, place your clips and images according to the narration, aligning each visual with the relevant part of the script. To speed up the process, keep it simple. There's no need to add extra transitions or special effects at this stage. Once your clips are arranged, add background music and subtle sound effects to enhance the viewer's experience. After reviewing everything to ensure proper timing and audio levels, export your video in high quality. And just like that, you'll have a fully polished documentary-style video ready to share with your audience.
On its surface, the International Space Station heats up to 120 degrees Celsius. Inside, the climate control system keeps astronauts alive. If it fails, they would literally be cooked. And now, a hacker has the software that controls it. Not a government agent, not a spy. A 15-year-old boy in his bedroom. He broke into 13 NASA computers, downloaded source code worth $1.7 million, code that regulated air, humidity, life itself. He didn't stop there, he hacked the Pentagon, specifically the Defense Threat Reduction Agency, an institution built to protect America from chemical and nuclear attacks. From his perspective, he was just playing around. From the government's perspective, he was a national security threat.
Largest identity theft case ever.
Largest data breach in U.S. history.
The year is 1989, a small town in South Florida. This is Jonathan James.
If this inspired you, subscribe now and stay tuned for more step-by-step guides that will help you create amazing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.